It's windy. You probably won't even hear me. Can you hear me today? Because it's windy out. I don't even know if you're going to hear me. Maybe I should talk the other way, then you'll be able to hear me. I'll talk this way. I'll talk this way. Seaside Heights, windy out today. Let's do it again. Let's do it again, folks. Here we are, Seaside Heights. Beautiful day. Beautiful, windy, cool day, but it feels like it's warming up a little. Might not be a beach day because those waves are pretty rough. There's an Earl out there. But something's out there. Earl? What is that? Hurricane Earl? What is it? Who knows? Who knows? Windy Earl. We'll call it Windy Earl. Seafood. Pizza Cat. Pizza Cat says relax. Yay! Give over. Waiver or something. Yay!
This song will cure all your troubled waters. Honestly, goes keep it well strong. With short stories and well-barreled into the sun. Just more song. All right, let's get this party started. Come on, get them hands up. She's gonna blow! She's gonna blow! A little volcano. This guy. Well, pretty soon you're gonna learn to fly. Come on, everyone. I don't know. Fade away in a fire. Think about it, say I turn around, may I go, take sunglasses, drinking lots of cappuccino, soaking up with having wonderful dreams. Some kind of Central Street, nice to keep it chill. But that big one gone and you just I got some money cause I just got paid. Now I wish that there's someone to talk to. I'm living up to walking up the planets and you're free. Looking too hard, you'll find the sky is yours. Please go, please go, please go. There's a need to contemplate. Everybody know who Zach Brown is? When he's backstage, he's going to come up and sing a song with you right now. He's down in Seaside Heights, New Jersey. Imagine that. Well, Zach Brown and Jimmy both got together. Gonna put the wrong way on me. Pretend I don't live it. Sunshine gonna wash my blues. But down, deep in the water somewhere, got the blue sky breeze blowing wind through my hair. Hurry in the world, it's time to reach my chair. Back on the beach, my chair. I don't know the fire's shine. So happy, love so high. Thinking about the time when I'm gonna die. Well, come on in the morning, fine, fine, every little slide, grab it back, back it in. You could do better than that. Searching for. Alright, shake it up. Oh, shake it up. Oh, shake, shake. Oh, shake it up. Some people play. There's a word.
We're done. That's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. And we'll see you real soon. Hopefully tomorrow.